Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. We just got the Z. It felt so nice, but it's going away again.
This is the Z. This is the original fender. We unwrapped it, but this is the freshly painted bumper and the replacement bumper right there. So I don't know, there's a little bit of mismatch, nothing too crazy, you know, but there's still the sparkle in the paint. Everything is good. But can you guys see the color difference right there a little bit? Maybe this one looks a little darker, a little bit lighter. The explanation behind that is that apparently paint sits a little lighter on plastic compared to the metal. The fender's metal, the bumper's plastic, so it's a little bit of difference. So whatever, it's not going to be 100% perfect. That's perfectly fine, but here's where the issue is. You can see my hand. I don't know if you can see it. It's very clear. Look at the clarity. It's very clear. It's very hard to see on this paint because the sun's hitting it, but it's clear too. This is very nice paint. It's the OEM paint. But we move over to here. Same thing, wrap, right? Very clarity. The clarity is nice. Then you go here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's major orange peel, and I'm gonna paste this video right here next to you guys, so you guys can see how I filmed the TikTok video, and you can definitely see the orange peel on there. Now the orange peel is across the whole bumper. It's just really hard to see when the sun's hitting it, but we're gonna go ahead and take it back because yeah, you can't have orange peel like that. But so we're gonna go ahead and drop it off at the body shop. The Z is gonna be gone once again, and we'll catch you guys on the next time.
All right, gents, it's one day later, and I honestly don't know where I left on the last clip, but the Z is no longer here. I don't have it. I had it for a very short time. Now it's gone. I took it to go get an oil change. Huge shout out to Nissan of Sacramento, always hooking it up with an oil change. Honestly, when I got it back, I was just so excited to finally see my Z back. I haven't driven it in a long time. I missed that car, so I just wanted it back. But I did consult with my brother, who's a Royal Detail. He's the guy who details my Z, and he took a closer inspection at the paint. Although the paint under sun looks good, under the shadows there was huge amounts of orange peel. They just need to go ahead and buff it out and polish it. Hopefully they can do just that. I believe they're doing that today. They did mention if they cut into the clear coat, they're gonna have to respray the entire bumper and fender. So hopefully that doesn't happen, and I'm able to get my Z back either tomorrow or maybe today. I don't know, but that's what happened, guys. I don't have my Z no more. Oh. Hey, what up, guys? Welcome back to day 3. Here's another update. Today was a rough day for me, brothers, especially at work. There was this program for 20% down payment assistance. It just came out, bro, literally not 2 weeks ago, and they already ran out of funds, and you gotta tell these buyers that they can no longer afford the home, which freaking sucked. So I had a bunch of clients, so I was working with that, and kind of went downhill, so that kind of sucked. But anyways, I have some news on the G35. We were supposed to begin wrapping it today. My pops is the one who's wrapping it, so he got a little busy today. Tomorrow he's busy, and then Sunday's Easter, so it's looking kind of rough this weekend to begin the project of the G35. I was kind of contemplating starting it myself. I'm just not confident in my wrapping skills, but hey, there's always a first time to learn, right? And then for the Z, I'm pretty sure I told you guys in the previous clips, but basically I took it back because there was some bad orange peel on the Z on the repainted fender. So we took it back. They ended up actually re-spraying the whole fender. They had to I think pretty sure they just re-cleared it. And then he had me actually go down today to go see it, make sure I was satisfied with the work before I make them take everything apart again. Completely understandable. So I went over there with my detail guy. Shout out to Sac Royal Detail. He details all my cars, ceramicals, everything, takes care of me. Awesome dude. If you guys need anything, by the way, hit him up. But he went with me and we took a look. Bro, the paint is like bajillion times better, bro. Like, honestly, like you can tell, like just the naked eye, bro. It was insane. Like the difference is there. It looks a lot better. Super satisfied. And they also showed me my original bumper that I had. Tears. I know it was the original bumper. I almost want to tell them if I can keep it. I want to keep that bumper. But anyways, the paint is absolutely awesome. So now they pretty much got to reassemble the whole Z. It should be ready this Monday. They couldn't have it ready today, so they'll have it ready Monday, and then we'll have the Z back. As of right now, we're kind of in a stalled point. I don't have none of my cars. None of them are being started. But I have high hopes that this Monday everything will come back to life.